Hi Virginia, this video is for the Pick 3 pair method. All that method is where I go back for about a month and I'm trying to find the day that the pairs are coming from. Once you find that, you just apply it to the next 7 days. So in Virginia, the days that you like are Saturdays. This method is good for 7 days. And then right here, I'm just going to show you a couple examples on the type of pair play that Virginia offers. So in Virginia, they offer front pair, back pair, and split pair. I'm going to be using the number 129. So let's say that you had played a 1-2 front pair and 129 fell, then you would win $50. And then if 219 fell, you would not win because it does have to be an exact play. Just so you know, so if they do offer a 50-cent play, then that $50 would go down to $25. But I don't know if Virginia offers that or not. So, okay, so for back pair, if you had, so say you played a 2-9 back pair and 1-2-9 fell, then you would win $50 if you had played $1. And then if it showed up as 192, you would not win because it does have to be an exact play. And then in a split pair, let's say that you played 2x9, and then you would, so say it fell as 219, you would win that $50, and if it fell as 912, you would not win because it does have to be an exact play. And also in all of these examples, it does not have to be just 129 for you to win. If you had played in that front pair example, if you had played a 1-2 front pair, you would still win if it did show up as like 1-2-0, 1-2-1, 1-2-2, and so on. Same thing with back pair. You would still win if you played a 2-9 back pair. If it showed up as 0-2-9, 2-2-9, 3-2-9, 4-2-9, and so on, you would still win. And then in that split pair example, you would still win if it showed up as like 209, 229, 239, 249, 259, etc. Okay, so in this next part of Virginia, I'm just going to show you kind of the back testing method that I do, and then I'm going to be focusing mostly on just the Saturday. So if you cannot see this very well, go ahead and pull up whatever site you use to look at the numbers. So a month ago, or around a month ago, on July 14th, 825 fell. And from that, so what you're looking for a 8-2 pair, a 2-5 pair, a 8-5 pair, a 5-8 pair, and a 5-2 pair, and a 2-8 pair. And that's in the next 7 days. So in this week, you had, so put aside that it was a repeat number, but you did have 285 fall on July 19th. So what that means is that you did have 2-8 front pair show up from the 825 on July 14th. You had a 2x5 split, and you had an 8-5 back pair on July 19th with that 285. So same thing in this next week. On On Saturday, July 21st, you had 796 fall. So you're looking for a 7-9 pair, a 9-6 pair, a 7-6 pair, a 9-7 pair, a 6-9 pair, and a 6-7 pair. So in this week, you had a 9-6 front pair on July 24th with 962. And then you had a 7-9 front pair on July 25th with 793. Okay, so just going to show you a couple more examples. Okay, and July 28th, you had 202 fall. So you're looking for a 2-0 pair, a 2-2 pair, and a 0-2 pair. So you did have that fall on August 3rd with 252. And that had a 2x2 split on that day. Okay, so on to the next week, you had August 4th, you had 053 fall. So you're looking for a 0-5 pair, a 5-3 pair, a 0-3 pair, a 3-0 pair, a 3-5 pair, and a 5-0 pair. And that's in the next 7 days. So you did have a 5x3 split on August 6th with 593. And you also had a 3-5 front pair on August 7th with 358. All right, so based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days are going to be most likely going to be showing up from that 018 that fell today. So it might show up as a 1-0 front pair, a 1x8 split, a 0-8 back pair, a 1-8 back or 1-8 front pair, a 0-1 front pair, a 0x8 split, or a 8-1 front pair. Keep in mind that these might show up as reversed or in a way I have not thought of yet. So just for a couple examples, that 1x8 might show up as a 8x1 split, or you might have like a 1-0 back pair or a 0-1 back pair and so on. So that's pretty much it, Virginia. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comment section.